Okay. So, shloka number 2, it goes like this. So, last week we saw 9 namas which are part of shloka 1, right? Om Vishnur Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro, that was the shloka we saw until Bhudatma Bhuda Bhavanaha. So, 9 namas were part of that shloka 1. Today, shloka number 2, it starts like this. Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyaya Purusha Sakshi Kshetrajno Kshara Evacha. One more time I'll tell and then you guys can repeat. Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyaya Purusha Sakshi Kshetrajno Akshara Evacha. So I'll repeat now. Bhutatma. Sorry, I'll tell, you can repeat. Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyaya Purusha Sakshi Kshetrajno Kshara Evacha or Kshetrajno Akshara Evacha. When we read it continuously, usually it will be Kshetrajno Kshara Evacha. But when we split it, it will be Kshetrajno, that is one nama, Akshara Evacha. Like that it will come. So, 10th nama is, you can mark it as I say, what are the namas here in this slokam. Bhutatma is the 10th name. Paramatma cha is the 11th nama. Muktanam Paramagatihi, that's the 12th nama. Avyaya, that is 13th. Purusha is 14. Sakshi is 15. Kshetrajno is 16. Akshara Evacha, it is 17. So altogether we have got 8 here. 8 namavalis in this shloka. 10 to 16. Okay, va? You have marked it right? Bhutatma. So the first nama is Bhutatma. I mean the 10th namavali is Bhutatma. What does that mean? Bhutatma means the purest soul. Bhagavan, he resides within our heart, isn't it? So he is residing in our hearts in the purest form. That's why it is called Bhutatma. So there is 2 things. We know soul and body, right? So body is just a thing that is present. Its duty is to hold the soul. Soul is the Paramatma. The next namam, soul is the Paramatma. Soul is nothing but basically what Vedavyasa is trying to say, what Bhishma is trying to say is, your soul is nothing but God Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu resides in everybody's soul. That's why we tell, always make sure you do things that is close to your conscious. Always don't do anything what your mind says. Always be true to your conscious. Conscious is nothing but God, because God resides in our soul, within our soul. In how he resides, in what form? As in a very, very purest form. Irrespective of whether the person is a good person or an evil person, the soul doesn't know all those. God doesn't know anything. He resides and he is the controller. So our actions are something which we do beyond that soul, which is all culminated by our brain and mind, not by our soul. So that's why it's always people who want to go near to the God, who want to travel in that spiritual path, they always make sure they listen to their soul. ஸோ நம்மளோட மனசாட்சி நம்மளோட கான்ஷியஸ்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம நடந்துன்னு வந்தோம்னா தட்ஸ் த ஈஸியஸ்ட் வே டு ரீச் காட். ஏன்னா அவர் தான் உள்ளே இருக்கார். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வாட் திஸ் பூதாத்மா நாமாவளி மீன்ஸ். இட்ஸ் த காட் present in the purest form. That refers to the pure soul. Paramatma is the 11th Namavali. There are two types of Atmas, right? Jivatma and Paramatma. Jivatma is nothing but the body, which I told before. Jivatma is just the body, which is of no use. Once we die, it will become ashes. Okay? So, which is of no use. The important thing that's going to be very useful is the soul, the Paramatma, which is inside. So the mere purpose of Jivatma, this whole body is nothing. All this beauty, everything is nothing. It's useless. It's just to hold the very, very important part, which is soul. So we are having God inside us. We have to protect our God. Everyone has God within themselves. So on the Kamala Hassan movie is there, right? So in that movie it is there are some dialogues, right? Neenu kadavul naanu kadavul. So that same like that. So everybody has got God within